Funny English to Gujarati banking words, bank, account, pay in.
Bank statement.
Welcome to the money adventure. Hey, you're about to learn useful Gujarati words for everyday money situations, and yes, we will do it without making your brain cry. Let's turn banking vocabulary into a tiny comedy show. Picture this. You walk into a
Bank.
feeling important, responsible, and only slightly confused by forms. You want to check your
ખાતું.
maybe ask for a
Bank statement.
maybe
પૈસા ઉપાડવા.
or
ટ્રાન્સફર કરવું.
then suddenly you remember you also need to
ચૂકવવું.
for something. And for some reason there is a
નકશો.
in your pocket and a glowing
બાર.
across the street. Congratulations, you are now in today's lesson. Your core words today. Let's meet the stars of the chapter one by one. Say them aloud with me, even if your cat judges you. Bank in Gujarati is
Bank.
It sounds reassuring, like your money finally found adult supervision. Account is
ખાતું.
your money lives there instead of hiding in old jacket pockets. Map is
નકશો.
not a banking word, but apparently our story packed one anyway. Bar is
બાર.
useful if your financial planning ends with juice and dramatic sighing. Pay is
ચૂકવવું.
the moment money leaves you and sadness waves goodbye. Withdraw money is
પૈસા ઉપાડવા.
this is what you do at an ATM when cash is suddenly necessary. Transfer is
ટ્રાન્સફર કરવું.
your money travels, even when you stay in pajamas. Bank statement is
Bank statement.
a document that calmly lists all your questionable life choices. A silly story at the bank. Now listen to a mini story. The more ridiculous it feels, the easier it is to remember. I walked into the
Bank.
and said, very confidently, "Hello, I would like to be a serious adult for 5 minutes." The clerk smiled and asked about my
ખાતું.
I nodded as if I understood everything in the universe. Then I asked for my
Bank statement.
because nothing says maturity like reading tiny numbers with a worried face. After that, I needed
પૈસા ઉપાડવા.
from the ATM. The machine beeped like it was judging my snack budget. Then I had to
ટ્રાન્સફર કરવું.
some money, and finally
ચૂકવવું.
a bill. When I left the bank, I was so emotionally tired that I sat near a
બાર.
and looked at a
નકશો.
as if it could guide me back to financial peace. Useful mini sentences. Here are practical lines you can actually use. Repeat after each one if you want the words to stick. I am going to the
Bank.
the money is in my
ખાતું.
please show me the
નકશો.
we sat near the
બાર.
I need to
ચૂકવવું.
today. I want to
પૈસા ઉપાડવા.
I need to
ટ્રાન્સફર કરવું.
the money. Please print my
Bank statement.
dialogue you can imagine. Let's do a quick scene. Imagine you are there, trying to look calm and not like you forgot your PIN. Clerk, welcome to the
Bank.
how can I help you? You, I want to check my
ખાતું.
clerk, of course. Do you also need your
Bank statement.
you? Yes, and I also want to.
પૈસા ઉપાડવા.
Clerk, no problem. Do you need to
ટ્રાન્સફર કરવું.
any money today? You, yes, and after that I need to
ચૂકવવું.
a bill. Clerk, excellent. You sound extremely organized. You, thank you. This is a new personality for me. Memory tricks that actually help. Now let's make these words easier to remember with funny images. Your brain loves weird pictures. See a giant glowing
Bank.
building full of oversized coins. Imagine your
ખાતું.
as a cozy apartment where your money pays rent. Picture a folded
નકશો.
telling you, turn left for the ATM. Imagine a neon,
બાર,
where even the stools discuss budgeting. 4.
ચૂકવવું,
Picture yourself handing over money and hearing a dramatic movie soundtrack. 4.
પૈસા ઉપાડવા,
Imagine an ATM spitting out cash like a surprised robot. 4.
ટ્રાન્સફર કરવું,
Imagine coins ziplining from one phone to another. 4.
બેંક સ્ટેટમેન્ટ,
Imagine a paper so long it rolls down the street like a red carpet for your expenses. Quick quiz time. No stress, just play along. I ask, you answer. If you get one wrong, blame the imaginary ATM. Where do you keep or manage your money?
બેંક,
What is the Gujarati word for account?
ખાતું,
What word means map?
નકશો,
What word means bar?
બાર,
What do you say for pay?
ચૂકવવું,
How do you say withdraw money?
પૈસા ઉપાડવા,
How do you say transfer?
ટ્રાન્સફર કરવું,
What is bank statement in Gujarati?
બેંક સ્ટેટમેન્ટ,
Your mini challenge. Time for a tiny speaking challenge. You can do this, and yes, saying it dramatically is allowed. Say, I am going to the.
બેંક,
Say, my money is in my.
ખાતું,
Say, I want to.
પૈસા ઉપાડવા,
Say, I need to.
ટ્રાન્સફર કરવું,
Say, I need to.
ચૂકવવું,
Say, please give me my.
બેંક સ્ટેટમેન્ટ,
Bonus silly line. I left the.
બેંક,
Checked the.
નકશો,
And sat near the.
બાર,
Like a financially confused explorer. Friendly goodbye. Nice work today. You just learned useful Gujarati words that can help in real life, travel, and everyday conversations. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing.
બેંક, ખાતું, ચૂકવવું, પૈસા ઉપાડવા, ટ્રાન્સફર કરવું,
And.
બેંક સ્ટેટમેન્ટ,
Until they feel natural. Come back, repeat them aloud, and let your Gujarati grow one funny chapter at a time.